Hey, I know we just hired you for voiceover, but our sound effect machine broke and we're on a really tight deadline. So do you think you could just kind of fill in the sound effects with your voice, maybe?
I could give it a shot, I guess, but
Great, yes, awesome. Here's the script. Ready? Action.
Nobody will argue that the best things in life are free, whether it be snuggling your cats, playing catch with the dog, that first cool sip of water on a scorching summer day, or even getting some well-deserved rest. But nothing quite compares to the joys of sound, whether it's as quiet as bubbles popping in the tub, or powerful roaring thunder. Foxy headphones will provide crystal clear sound time and again, giving you the keen ears of a fox. What does the fox say? Foxy headphones, slick sound, and stylish as beep in stores now. Get yours today.